The toll in the conflict in Sabah continues to rise after fresh clashes over the weekend claimed more lives. The Philippine Foreign Affairs Department is appealing to Malaysian authorities to exercise maximum tolerance with the followers of the Sultan of Sulu. Monica Magpantay has
the conflict in Sabah between Malaysians of the Sultanate of Sulu appears far from Foreign Affairs Department says clashes in Semporna. 6 Malaysian policemen and 11 group dead.
The loss of lives in Sabah is deeply regrettable. We offer our profound condolences to the families of the victims of this unfortunate
This follows the death of at least 2 Malaysian cops and the owner of the house where Kiram's exchange of fire erupted in Lahadatu last Friday. Foreign Affairs Secretary gave a note verbal to Malaysian Ambassador Zamri Kasim. States the Philippine and Malaysian government their citizens and want to prevent further bloodshed.
The Philippine forces of the Royal Sultanate of Sulu, led by Raja Muda Agbimuddin Kiram, to surrender peacefully. Therefore, the Philippine government requests the Malaysian authorities to exercise maximum tolerance in dealing with the remaining members of the Kiram's group. The Department of Foreign Affairs likewise reiterates its request for a full briefing by Malaysian authorities on the situation. It also reiterates its request for clearance for the Philippine Navy ship AT-296 Tagbanwa to proceed to Lahadatu to enable the Philippine medical personnel aboard to provide humanitarian and consular assistance and provide medical care to the wounded and ferry them and the remaining members of the group back to their respective homes and
Meanwhile,
families.
Presidential spokesman Edwin Lacerda pursuing a peaceful resolution to the standoff. The situation is in the hands of the Malaysian government. Also told ANC Malacanang had sent arms before Friday's no agreement
Before the
was
president spoke, there was a good 2 weeks.
Yes.
There was a good 2 weeks. We've been sending emissaries, and there are certain things we cannot disclose at this point. We've been sending emissaries all the time. We've been sending emissaries.
Who's the highest official you sent?
The National Security Advisor and Secretary Llamas. We've sent them, and we've also sent Governor Mahataman and some. We've sent emissaries all the time.
Okay.
There were points, and let me say this without going to details, though at some point we were near agreement, and suddenly Mr. Kiram would call someone, and the whole thing would just, and they said, hindi, gusto na namin presidente ang kausap. Now, si presidente, kakausapin sila. Sinabi naman the president said, I will talk to them, provided you bring home your arm. Kasi parang pumunta ka sa bahay ng tao, pumunta ka sa bahay mo, I have arms. Ano expect you will do? Diba, it's not proper to do that. Sabihin na natin, they kept on saying it's home, but the situation is, it's not under our control.
Right now, Sultan Jamalul Kiram III says with an official representative resolution of the Sabah ownership
issue. Sa labang ngayon, mahirap lang nga hindi na mapipigil ang tao mga Pilipino. Nag-unibusan na, uubos na sila kasi papatayin din daw sila. So, kaya nga, yung mga walang kasalanan, walang ay tumulong na. Wala naman kami hinintay sa Philippine government kasi wala naman nakikita kami na may tulong sa amin ng Philippine government. Kaya naman si Filipino, and then this is not only the problem of or the fight of the Sultanate, but this is the fight of all Filipino people.
Kiram adds they have sent letters to the United States and Britain as they seek to settle. Monica Magpantay, ABS-CBN News.